Birds, belonging to the class Aves, display a remarkable diversity in both appearance and behavior. Scientifically, each bird species is identified by a binomial nomenclature, a system introduced by Carl Linnaeus. This system comprises a genus name followed by a species name, forming the bird's unique scientific name. For instance, the common house sparrow, found globally, is scientifically named Passer domesticus. The genus name, Passer, represents a group of small seed-eating birds, while domesticus denotes its association with human habitats. Scientific names serve as a universal language, facilitating precise communication among scientists and enthusiasts about a particular bird species. Birds play pivotal roles in ecosystems, contributing to pollination, seed dispersal, and pest control. From the majestic eagles to the tiny hummingbirds, the avian world encompasses an astounding array of adaptations, allowing them to thrive in various environments. As a testament to evolution's creativity, the scientific names of birds not only offer a systematic classification but also unravel the intricate tapestry of their evolutionary history and ecological significance.